got older, right, when I realized it was my mom who was actually waking up her two young children, and many of you know this story because you've also felt it. When they came from India, they didn't have much, and you know this very well. When my parents came here, my mom used to wake us up around 5 in the morning. Like I said, you know this story well. Make the food, wake up, a 6-year-old and an 8-year-old to go berry picking. And I was there complaining about I didn't want to get up. But imagine what it felt like for her as a mom, having to wake up her children and spend basically over 12 hours berry picking almost every single day in the summertime. And I remember, and that only wasn't the difficult part. When my dad was working, my mom was working, that's not how we paid our groceries. My mom then would come back home after cooking dinner for the family, then to knit those sweaters. You remember those Thunderbird sweaters, very thick wool? That's how we bought our groceries. And all of you know this story very well. Why am I sharing this with you? Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the reasons why I got into politics and why some of the members of parliament that I'm about to introduce of why we got into politics. It is because when you give families an opportunity, their children can grow up and have an impact on this world. So